or good afternoon. We are going to work in Photoshop today. Our goal is to change the color of one image. So we will be using layers, the masking tool, and layers, new adjustment, hue and saturation, and exporting that file. So without further ado, let's begin. Remember, your assignments, you have links to where you can get free images. Today we will use Bing free images. You'll just click on that. You pick any image you want that suits your fancy. Let's pick this one right here. We will save the image. You might start with your hour, whatever hour that is, your name, changing color, assignment, and then you'll save it. The next thing you're going to want to do once you're done with saving your image is you will want to open up Photoshop and now this layer we will use the layer tool, go to new adjustment layer, and then we're going to change the hue and the saturation, and we can just mute the hue to wherever we want the colors to be. We'll try this one right here, and then we will merge that layer by highlighting those two layers. We will merge those layers, and now okay, you can zoom in so you can see it. We have a nice image. We have a background image. We are going to duplicate that layer, okay? And we are going to hide our original layer, so we will keep it. This layer, what we want to do is select a section of it. We're just going to start with a third of it, roughly a third of it, just like so. Then we will mask that layer. Now we have a different color showing for our field. We're going to do that at least one more time. So we'll hide this one. We will duplicate this layer, and we'll hide our background layer, and this time we are going to choose the right side. So at the top we are going to select, pull down, mask, and now we're going to layer, new adjustment layer, hue, saturation, okay, and then try a different color just to explore the possibilities. And we will once again merge that layer, merge those layers, and now we can highlight all of them and show that we have different layers or different colors, and it is one photo now. We will go File, Export, export it as a JPEG, and export it. And now you will take that downloads. I don't know. Well, there you go. So I have an image that shows different colors, and that is the point of this assignment, is that you know how to change the color using hue and saturation.